Luxury doesn't whisper, it roars. Refined elegance meets raw aggression. This is the 2025 BMW M8 Competition, a $140,000 plus sports machine disguised as a grand tourer. Powered by a 617 horsepower twin-turbo V8, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds, yet offers the comfort of a premium coupe. Stick around, because beneath its sleek body lies engineering that demands respect. Under that carbon fiber hood sits BMW's iconic 4.4-liter S63 twin-scroll V8, packing 617 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 553 pound-feet, 750 Newton-meters, from 1,800 to 5,860 RPM. It features dual-scroll turbos, Valvetronic variable intake, and zero-lag throttle response. The competition upgrade enhances the cooling setup. Twin oil pans, enlarged intercoolers, and track-tested radiators for relentless performance under pressure. Whether in the US or Europe, the numbers are identical and brutal. Power flows through an 8-speed M Steptronic with drive logic, allowing shift maps from whisper smooth to aggressive pops and bangs. xDrive furthers the experience with dynamic torque distribution, four-wheel drive sport, and even pure two-wheel drive drift mode. You'll hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.4 seconds. Handling isn't an afterthought, it's a mission. With adaptive M suspension, multi-link rear, and active anti-roll bars, the M8 Pilot cuts through curves with surgical precision. Brakes are 6-piston M Sport calipers as standard, or you can add the ultra-light carbon ceramic option. Independent tests show stopping forces nearing 1.9 G. Boy, that's serious grip. Inside, BMW mixes racecraft with dignity. Expect deep merino leather sport seats, Alcantara roof lining, and a carbon-trimmed flat-bottom steering wheel. The curved iDrive 8-screen blends digital cluster and infotainment seamlessly, with track telemetry and M-Drive modes at your fingertips. Optional HUD, Harman Kardon sound, and 4-zone climate elevate it beyond mere speed. In coupe specs, the M8 measures 4.87 meters long, 1.91 meters wide. Rolling on a 2.83 meters wheelbase, weight ranges from approximately 1,856 kilograms EU to 1,975 kilograms US, approximately 4,095 to 4,354 pounds, depending on trim. Fuel efficiency. EPA rates it at 15 city, 22 highway mpg, combined approximately 17 mpg. In Europe, WLTP gives 17.4 to 9.5 liters per 100 kilometers, approximately 14 to 25 miles per gallon. Look deeper, and you'll see functional beauty. The carbon fiber roof lowers the center of gravity, while the aggressive front apron, expansive vents, and rear diffuser channel airflow precisely. Laser headlights pierce the night with brightness that borders on the futuristic. Behind the wheel, the M8 is a paradox, plush and precise. Steering is razor-sharp yet easy at highway speeds. Activate the M Driver's package and locked top speed jumps from 155 miles per hour to 190 miles per hour. For EU 250 to 305 kilometers per hour, track-focused freedom. US MSRP starts at $140,975 for the coupe, with Grand Coupe and convertible adding about $10,000 each. In Europe, expect 165,000 to 219,000 euros, depending on specs and tax. 5-year ownership costs hover around $180,000, factoring depreciation and upkeep. The BMW M8 Competition is a masterpiece of German engineering. Supercar performance wrapped in coupe luxury, with nuanced driving dynamics that few rivals match. Whether you pick the sleek coupe, practical grand coupe, or open-top convertible, this is V8 indulgence with M-level discipline. Let us know in the comments which version you choose, and don't forget to subscribe to Nitro Vision for more adrenaline-packed deep dives.